This is the KRISTEEL Chain Pitch Gauge. It comes in multiple sizes. It's 3/8, if you can see, 3/8, then ½ inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1/4 inch. The use of the chain pitch gauge. Here we have two chains. We want to measure the pitch of the chain. Now I will put the leaf of 3/8 inch onto the chain to measure. So the pitch of this chain is 3/8 inch. Now if I try to put it in the bigger pitch, it will not fit. Means the pitch of this is more than 3/8 inch. Now what is the pitch of this chain? I move to the bigger leaf, the ½ inch. Now I put the ½ inch and it fits. ½ inch is fitting perfectly onto this chain, which means this is a ½ inch pitch gauge. Now if I try to put this ½ inch in this chain, it will not go. So it's clearly this ½ inch is for this chain. This is how we use the KRISTEEL Chain Pitch Gauge.